Hi, myself Ahmad. Hey friends, like that you have to be create? Just follow me. Hi friends, and this is Ahmad. Today I will explain you for animated images to convert to video. It will help with help of the Adobe Express. Now we will do the practice. The first you have to open the Adobe Express application in our system. Once open the application, we can get the like this display. Just come to the little down and you can see there suggested quick action. There we have the third option like a animated from audio. Click on it. Once animated from audio, we can get this kind of pop-up window. Just here we can see here there are three options which there. One is character, one is background, and one other is size. Click any character if you want. Just I am clicking this character. And if you want the background, go for the background. Whichever background is required for you, you can choose that. So you can minimize the character or and maximize the character. So however you want, we can do it that. Now we have the size option also here. So if you want with the landscape size, you can go with this, and if you want the short, you can go with this. So which option we want, you can choose it. And now the time to record our voice. So whatever voice we are giving the input, the system will take and generate the video. Now here the option is coming, one more is the broad. If you have already voice, it is less than 2 minutes, it will be take. It's a maximum 1 GB of the size. I am using the my recorded. So once I recorded this, after 3 seconds the recorded will be start. Clicking on recorded. Hi, myself Ahmad. Just we have to speak out whatever we want. After that, click on done option and you can go with the means that animated images will convert it into in our video. Let's see, it will take the few seconds to convert our entire video. After finishing the customization from our animation video, and just click on, if you want to see, you can click here. Hi, myself Ahmad. So if you want the file, you can download here. It will be download mp4 file. So just I am opening the file, how it will be look. Hi, myself Ahmad. This is the guys. Thank you so much, and please do from your end and use it in your wherever you want. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel for the more update. Thank you so much. Bye bye.